And then your birthday.
Oh, wife.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I said, yeah, Kai.
A very happy birthday to her. This photograph brings me a lot of good memories. Very, very good memories.
Wow.
Transition to a lot. So, a very, very happy birthday, Ramatu.
But we are the
this birthday, today's my wife's birthday. Today is my birthday of my sweetheart. I mean, because I mean, you know, I mean, your wife's birthday should be the most important birthday than even yours.
Oh, really?
Because she's the real. I mean, after I've known you, I mean, your wife has really transformed you. Oh, yes, yeah. Why you come up? First, no tie crowd shining and baby name as the autumn say. Why you cratchy come up?
A very happy birthday. A very happy birthday to her. You see, we all have some very beautiful memories and stories, but maybe at the end of the day, it goes way beyond. This is my childhood sweetheart.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a much safe from
way back from the SHS.
And to so friend say Ufi.
Yes, Antoine. Anna Ramatu.
Anna de
Ramatu.
Okay. Yes, Antoine. Anna Ramatu.
They have come from Kakra. Very cool.
You say a bro be boy when fifiem.
Oh, Kago.
Ahun fe no. Ifrim kwada mu.
I see. Anyway, so I mean, girls need I met a lot of them, meaning, you know, but only one I know you're willing, Bakope, and I know you're willing, so bet not gonna high train.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, so I said,
yeah,
because me worry Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, na me too kind.
Okay.
Then I came back. Me and PY. Maybe Ghana be near opportunity.
Hey.
So I mean, not many would have that time and space. Unimna casting the hour.
And I send you we na. Said ye awia eye nkutu no. Nso ye nchini. Said ye awia ye nkutu no. Nso ye nchini bi.
We no
no ye hu ye.
You better find nice.
Enya first we nimu ha.
Any we na ye the coback.
And adie phone ma adie phone.
Oh, action be ye ne no.
Me da se.